Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. The number one headline overnight is that protests are increasing over COVID restrictions in China. I think the market's waiting for some kind of crackdown by the Chinese police, but right now the concern is that this is weakening an already slowing economy and restricting maybe some imports. So you've got copper lower, most of the softs lower, soybeans lower, and corn lower. Wheat's kind of mixed, with Chicago wheat down while Minneapolis wheat is higher. Stocks are lower, the dollar is lower, and crude is lower, and crude's back to levels we haven't seen since January and the beginning of this year. Other news, I think the market's going to be watching the Black Sea. Russian wheat prices are still cheaper than most origins, although the spread between U.S. and Russia has narrowed a little bit. We're still worried about Russia bombing key Ukraine cities and infrastructure and the impact that could have on moving grain to the ports, and even the ports running now on generators versus electricity. We'll also see about how the market wants to respond to this increased shelling. The other thing that we'll be watching is South American weather. Brazil looks like over the next 2 weeks to see scattered showers. Maybe the one that might miss it is Mato Grosso, but the rains are supposed to early in December move into the dry southern areas. Argentina remains dry for the most part. There is, over the next couple of days, some rains, maybe quarter to an inch and a half in Cordoba and BA, which will help crop conditions there. But after that, the forecast turns drier. In the U.S., 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day suggest normal shower activity. Temperatures colder in the northwest, warmer in the southeast. At the end of the 10-day period, though, it looks like there's much colder temperatures moving into the Midwest, although nothing extremely cold either here, Europe, or even in the Black Sea. Markets are dipping just a little bit below the midpoint for Jan beans between 14 and 14.50. Corn is back, trying to trade back into the 6.65 area, while Chicago wheat's trading below $8. Money flow has basically stopped in most of the commodities as close the books for 2022. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.